So once again, good morning. And agenda today is Mark.
Good morning, ma'am.
Let us start with Mark you, and you can raise. It is going to be open house. Anybody who wants points. Like I will be calling out roll number 1, roll number 2, and if there's no roll number 1, then roll number 2 will start off. And if there's no roll number 2, roll number 3, and the same question will be rotated. If left unanswered, that question will be rotated. And if you want to answer any question, you can raise your hands and collect more points. All right. So please be attentive and please start paying attention. Let me share this screen with you. So this is monthly assessment division quiz 2021. For roll number 1, are you there? Roll number 1? Tomorrow marks cutega. Actually, there is no marks. No marks, no mark. Yes. No mark. For roll number 1, read the following sentence. Did you dash anywhere interesting last weekend? Roll number 1, wrong answer. The question goes to roll number 2. Pratay Prakash.
मैम गो होगा मैम आवाज आ रही
Pratay
है मैम
Prakash, read the entire sentence.
यस मैम डिड यू गो एनीवेयर इंटरेस्टिंग लास्ट वीकेंड आवाज आ रही है मैम
Pratay, read the question first.
यस मैम डिड यू डैश एनीवेयर इंटरेस्टिंग लास्ट वीकेंड तो मैम डिड यू
ये प्रत्यय क्या बोल रहा है समझ में कुछ नहीं आ रहा है. हेलो प्रत्यय, प्लीज बी लाउड.
यस मैम मैम गो होगा मैम मतलब ए नंबर मैम
तो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स सब डाल के सेंटेंस पढ़िए ना.
यस
Read
मैम
the
डिड यू
sentence.
गो मैम डिड यू गो एनीवेयर इंटरेस्टिंग लास्ट वीकेंड
Yes, did you go anywhere interesting last weekend? Pratay gets points.
थैंक यू मैम
Roll number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I work as a teacher and my friend does too.
Yes. Roll number 3. You're getting him up. Stop talking. Roll number 4. Roll number 5.
Yes, ma'am. I think he is a taxi driver.
I think he is
He
a
is a
taxi
taxi
driver.
driver.
Yes, right answer. Next roll number. Roll number 6. Roll number 6. Roll number 7. Roll number 7.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, answer is located.
What is your hometown located? Wrong answer. The question goes to roll number 8. Anybody in the class?
Yes, ma'am. What is your hometown? C?
What is your hometown? C. All right. Yes. Sorry. I thought your. What is your
What is-
hometown like?
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
your hometown like? यहाँ पर होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Like का मतलब क्या हुआ? What is your hometown like? तुम्हारा hometown कैसा है?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your friend like? What is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
book like? मतलब तुम्हारा friend कैसा है? What is the hometown like? तुम्हारा hometown कैसा है? Right. Very good. So this was Mahi, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Mahi gets 1 point. Next roll number. I'm afraid dash here for your birthday party. Next roll number 8. Sorry, 9.
Yes, ma'am. 9.
Yes, 9. Number 5. I'm afraid. Let her answer. I'm afraid.
I am afraid I will be not here for your birthday party.
I'm afraid
I will be not here for your birthday party.
Yes, I'm afraid I will be not here for your birthday party. Right.
Yes.
Roll number 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 10. Gaurav.
Yes, ma'am. How tall are you?
Yes, right. How tall are you? That's good. Roll number 11. How long dash working? You're roll number 11. Then roll number 11. Roll number 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
How long have you been working?
Yes, roll number 12, right answer. Roll number 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 8.
Would you like some help?
Yes, right. Roll number 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 13. Yes, number 9.
They seldom go to cinema.
Right. They seldom go to cinema. It means they do not go very often. They hardly go. They never go. Seldom. Barking dogs seldom bite. Seldom मतलब कि नहीं जाते.
आयुष अंदर जा, अंदर.
Hey. Next roll number.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 2.
He,
He had not played since
since he had the accident.
he has not played since he
Had the accident. Since he has had an accident.
Okay. You are taking chances. Oh, chalo, theek hai. He has not played since he has had has had. B.
Yes, ma'am.
This is not 10 marks. All right. Next roll number. Next roll number. 13, 14. Pratik. Number 14, 0 marks.
Ma'am, I was only 14.
What?
Ma'am, I have answered the question 10.
You have already answered the question.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Then roll number 15. Roll number 15. Those who are absenting, they are getting 0 marks. Roll number 15, roll number 16, 17, तुम 17 हो. Roll number 18, 19. Next roll number
Yes, ma'am. 19.
19. Start off. Read the sentence. Number 1.
On the order. He's found. He, ma'am. It's he. Ma'am, hello.
Answer the question. Number 1.
Ma'am, he. It's he.
Yeah, he.
He is called the order of the day.
He is called the order of the day.
Yes,
He.
ma'am. Definitely the call.
The question goes to the next roll number 20.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know who is called the order of the day. Are you
Ma'am,
called the order of the day?
Ma'am, agenda is called the order of the day.
Very good.
Sorry, ma'am.
That could be. He is called order of the day.
Sorry, ma'am.
Agenda is called the order of the day. Roll number 21.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम रोल नंबर 18 मैम एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
All right. Then why didn't you answer?
मैम उस टाइम पता नहीं मैम नेटवर्क इशू था या माइक ही नहीं काम कर रहा था इसलिए हेडफोन हटा के बात कर रहे
All right. Roll number 18.
मैम मिनट्स आर रिटेन इन पास्ट में और थर्ड पर्सन
What?
पास्ट टेंस
Yes. Right answer. Minutes are written in past tense.
यस मैम
Okay. Resume is a roll number 22.
I'm
Sorry,
21.
21. Resume is a resume is a dashboard. What word? Roll number 23. Resume is a French word. Yes, very good. Resume is a French word. A job application is a dash letter. Roll number 23, 24.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. A job application is a dash letter.
Cover letter, ma'am.
Wrong answer. Open house. Anybody can answer this question? A job application is a
Ma'am, cover letter.
formal letter.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Appointment letter, ma'am.
No. Anybody in the class? A job application is a? Nobody has answered. A job application is a sales letter. Sales letter. I've written it down. So this is also a revision quiz. So I'm revising your semesters, first semester. A job application is a sales letter comment. This can be a very long answer. Because when you are applying for a job, what are you selling? You're selling your skills. You're selling your knowledge. You're selling you're giving time for the money which you will be getting. So you are selling your whole package. So a job application is a sales letter. The question can be asked for a very long answer type questions. Maybe the question can be taken for your assignment, 10 marks. How will you explain? Job application is such an important thing. You have to be very particular. You have to put in all the 7 C's of communication. There should be no error. There should be no mistakes. There should be no spelling mistakes. So when you are applying for a job, you are trying to be your best. Whether you are, but you start with the job application, and if your application is good, then you will be called for the interview. If not, forget about it. So a job application is a sales letter. Remember this? Roll number 24.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The dash writes the minutes of a meeting. The dash writes the minutes of the meeting.
Date and time.
The what?
The date and time, write the minute of a meeting.
Okay. I did not know dates also, right?
Yeah, ma'am, names of the participant.
Participant से लिखता है. Who prepares the minutes of the meeting? कौन लिखता है? Yes, Sagar.
Ma'am, the top level management or who have the higher authority write the minutes of the.
No, not at all. I discussed this when I was giving you the revision class. Whatever the questions are there, it is all based on the last 2 weeks class. So anybody in the classroom who writes the minutes of the meeting? Anybody?
And the scribe.
The what? The what?
Scribe.
Write the meeting.
The director?
No, ma'am, scribe.
The
I
style
make
slide minutes
notes
of
of the meeting.
yes, Ritik Kumar.
The scribe होगा ma'am.
The what?
The scribe.
No. The secretary writes the minutes of the meeting. The secretary who writes the agenda, the secretary also writes the minutes of the meeting, right?
Yes.
Secretary. The secretary writes or the PA writes. Both the answers are correct. Okay, roll number 25. 26. 27. 28. 29.
Present ma'am 29.
29.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am block style letter ma'am.
Letters are written in a specific style known as
Block style.
no. Letters are written in a specific style known as roll number 30. Roll number 30. $31. Anybody in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Letters are written in a specific style known as
Format, ma'am.
very good.
39, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Yes. Format. Roll number 32. Okay. Number 7. Business letters are written on a company's. Yes, very good. Business letters written on a company's letterhead. Okay. Next roll number 36. Okay, 34. Number 8. क्या तुम्हें बताया हो ठीक है 35. I said the next roll number, question number 8. In dash style of business letters, every line starts in the left margin. Roll number 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. 37.
37. Roll number 37, number 8.
हाँ, roll number 8. Standard business letter, ma'am.
क्या क्या तुम बोल रहे हो? रोल नंबर 8 करो, सॉरी रोल नंबर क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 करो.
Yes, ma'am. Standard business letter, ma'am.
Yes, what?
Standard business letter.
No. Anybody in the class?
Yes, ma'am. Block style
Yes,
form.
ma'am.
Very good. In block style of business letters, every line starts at the left.
Margin.
Next roll number, who is it? Number 40, 41,
39, ma'am.
39, okay. 39, question number 9.
Yes, ma'am. In the test. Ma'am, semi block style.
Yes, in the semi-block style,
5 to 6. Yes.
paragraphs are intended 5-6 spaces from the left of the margin. Good. Roll number 42, 43, 41. Number 10. Number 10, bolo, huh? Effective dash is essential in every aspect of life. किसी और के मोबाइल से बोलो ना. चलो. कोई बात नहीं, आप बोलो. हाँ. Effective communication is essential in every aspect of life. The answer is effective communication is essential in every aspect of life. That's right answer. Next roll number. Roll number 49. Sorry, anybody from 40 to 50?
Ma'am, 42.
42.
Yes, ma'am.
MCQ
Ma'am,
number 1.
This is the best tea I have ever tasted.
Yes, 42 right answer. This is the best tea I have ever tasted. Answer will be B. Next roll number 43. Hello?
47, ma'am. 47. I'm
47.
looking forward. I'm looking forward to the summer holidays.
Okay, I'm looking forward to the summer holidays. B, right answer. Do not talk. Why don't you write the sentences? How can you be so confident I know all the answers? Next roll number.
49, ma'am. My friend was born on 2nd of September 1974.
Yes. My friend.
My friend was born on
Yes, right answer. My friend was born on the 2nd of September 1974. Right. Next roll number.
51, ma'am.
51.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 14.
Ma'am, this cake tastes good.
Right. This cake tastes good. Right answer. 52.
Ma'am, 45, ma'am.
1 minute. 45. Number 5.
In life, anyone can make a mistake. We are all human.
Since you were busy gossiping, so what to do? I was calling out roll numbers. All right. In life, anyone can make a mistake. We are all human. That was good. Next roll number. Yes.
Lesson 55.
1 minute.
Ma'am, 54.
1 minute. What is your roll number? Hello? 48. Yes. Number 6. Sorry. Yeah. She knows that she had better to pay. No? अगर टू नहीं होता तो तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन सही होता, तुम्हारा आंसर सही रहता. She knows that she had better pay, but there is a two over there. She knows that she
Okay.
अब एक एक करके पूछोगे तब तो कोई ना कोई तो सही हो जाएगा ना.
और
Anybody in the class?
yes, she ought to pay now.
Option D होगा. हाँ ठीक है. She knows that she ought to pay. She had better. अगर टू नहीं होता तो सही होता. Need not में भी टू नहीं लगता है. Should में भी टू नहीं लगेगा. एक ही बचता है D. She knows that she ought to pay. Okay, 52. Number 7. Again you're talking. Number 7. Number 7.
Ma'am, option B. No.
क्या क्वेश्चन हो रहे?
I'm sure you would have. Right. If he knew about it, I'm sure he would have helped. Right. Next roll number.
Ma'am, 54.
Okay. Number 8.
You should return the news. Ma'am, B.
No. Anybody in the class? I shall return the newspaper when I dash through it.
Ma'am, D.
No. Open house, anybody?
B तो मैम बोला था. मैम B.
No. Think.
मैम ऑप्शन सी होगा.
नहीं. इसका हिंदी क्या होगा? Wait. I shall return the newspaper when I dash through it. इसका मतलब हिंदी में क्या हुआ? क्या इसका हिंदी क्या हुआ? मैं रिटर्न कर दूंगी या मैं रिटर्न कर दूंगा जब मैं पढ़ चुका होऊंगा.
have looked होगा मैम सी.
तो तुमको हिंदी बताने के लिए बैठे रहेंगे वहां पर हम. The answer is A. I will have looked through it. I shall return the newspaper when I will have. This is the right answer. A. When I will have looked through it. One more roll number. Next.
55 roll number, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, 55, ma'am.
Okay, so I've already cut. All right then. That's it. For those who are left, we can continue this in the next class. For all the students who have still not given a mark.